Last time I showed you a chart that changes color when signals agree. Today, I'm opening it up completely. Here's exactly what's running underneath. Think of this like opening up a machine. Every gear you're about to see has one job. Alone, it's just a part. Together, it's what actually catches a move before it runs away from you. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Nothing in the market is ever confirmed. There's no sure-shot formula. Anyone claiming one is lying to you. What we can do is calibrate probability. Water doesn't boil at 90 degrees. It boils at 100, but you don't wait until it's already boiling to react. You watch it approach 100, and you know what's coming. Same with a car crossing 60 kilometers per hour. You don't need it to hit 60 to know it's accelerating. You can see it building at 55, and the probability of it crossing is already high. That's exactly how this system is calibrated. We're not guessing when to enter. We're waiting for multiple readings to independently point at the same rising probability, the same way you'd trust a car building speed before it crosses the line, not after. Let's open it up piece by piece. First, consider two supertrend readings, one fast and one slow. The fast one reacts quickly to catch the early move. The slow one confirms the bigger picture isn't disagreeing. We only trust the signal when both align. That alone removes a huge chunk of false starts. Next, we look at the relative strength index, but not in the way most people use it. We're not hunting overbought or oversold levels. We're using it to confirm momentum is actually present, not just price drifting. Then we add the UT bot, a volatility-adjusted trailing filter. It keeps us from reacting to normal noise and only flags a real shift once price moves beyond what typical volatility would explain. Moving on, the average directional index doesn't care about direction at all. It only answers one question. Is there an actual trend forming, or is the market just chopping sideways? Weak readings mean we don't care what the other indicators say. There's no trend to catch. Alongside that, the directional index tells us which side has actual control. Buyers or sellers, reinforcing direction, not just the presence of a trend. And finally, we look at relative strength. Is this instrument actually outperforming or underperforming the broader market right now? A move means a lot more when it's not just following the crowd, but leading it. None of these six, on their own, are special. Anyone can plot a supertrend or an RSI. What matters is that all six have to agree. Trend, momentum, volatility, strength, and direction. Before that background changes color. That's not a shortcut. That's the entire discipline. Is trading actually difficult? Think about it. No! It is only brutal because you are flying completely blind. You are guessing. You lack a strict system. You are completely ignoring the macro market regime, and you are totally blind to underlying market breadth. But what if a single hidden secret changed everything? Enter. Multi-confluence. Imagine a beautifully clear chart that instantly unlocks the market's true momentum, the real trend, and absolute volume confirmation. All at a single glance. No chaos, no stress, just absolute pure clarity. Stop guessing. Master the regime, click below to deploy the system. Next episode, we go live and backtest this in real conditions so you can see exactly how often these six actually agree and what happens when they don't. Subscribe if you want to see it.